fantastic development in science and technology has made the impossible possible. It began in the first half of the 20th century with the use of telescope and a microscope. They are still with us, and numerous other scientific devices and instruments which we use now in the conquest of knowledge. These and all the data gathered by these instruments are now augmented 1,000-fold by the use of the computer. We are witnessing a silent, epoch-making revolution as a result of the advent of the computer. It is radically altering the conventional ways of acquiring, preserving, interpreting, and conveying knowledge. In the reading and study of literary works, the latest developments in computer technology, like the CD presentation or CD authoring, open up immense possibilities and provide numerous facilities not available before. In the past, the study of literature, for example, was confined almost wholly to the printed page. Books alone were the repositories of knowledge. Mastery in a subject required the reading of hundreds of books and spending lot of time and lot of money in that effort. All these are now things of the past, at least are going to be things of the past. The transfer of the contents of books and all related material to the digital domain marks this silent epoch-making revolution. Benefits far too many to be listed are now in the offing, to mention only a few. The contents of a whole library can now be condensed into a few discs. The Encyclopedia Britannica, the compendious volume in a set of books, which would fill a whole shelf, is now available in a few discs. That means information is going to be available in a handy, easy, and inexpensive way. The availability of textbooks and secondary material in digital form makes self-study more easy, more possible for more people. The computer will be the main tool of tomorrow for the dissemination of knowledge. Multimedia presentation of a text will be a mighty leap forward in the field of education. For example, in the study of a text, say like Shakespeare's Hamlet, the use of this method would give the student the text, the voice enlivening the text, three-dimensional pictures providing dramatic effect, all at the same time. So cognition becomes possible simultaneously by all the Jnanendriyas. The result would be almost a direct experience of the play, not the dull reading of the text in the classroom. It is also to be noted that information fed into the disc can be modified and updated, something not possible at the level of books. There, for the latest information, you will have to go for the latest edition of the book. Another advantage would be in the field of cross-reference, an important aspect in the investigation of knowledge. Till now it meant hunting for books to trace a reference, every student having to do it for himself. But once it is fed into the CD, it becomes available to everyone. Information which you gather by going to the library and spending hours ransacking books is now available at the click of a mouse on your study table. Instead of you are going to the library now visits you at home. All this means we are on the threshold of a great revolutionary change in education as well as in other fields. The digital world opened up by the computer is the Aladdin's lamp of our storybooks. It is going to work real miracles in our life.